Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video would tell you about the testing job opportunities, the remote as well as the work from office job opportunities. And before we move on to the job opportunities, I would like to update you about the coding interview questions and answers. So there are many people who were requesting us since long that they are looking for the coding interview questions and answers from the Java perspective that are asked in the interview. So when you are going for the automation testing interviews, when you are going for the SDET interviews, so they are asking you the Java programming based interview questions and answers that you have to write the program. So at times when the programs are very complicated, for example, the questions can be that you might be asked about finding out whether this parenthesis is valid or not, finding out whether how many characters are there in this particular string and how many occurrences of the characters are there. One more example is converting the Roman integers to the numbers. So those kind of complex programming interview questions, along with the intermediate problems, like the average kind of problems, programming questions that you would get in an interview, those have been covered into this particular digital product. And what we have done is we have created a PDF document that's a digital product which would be available on the drive. So as soon as you will avail this particular product, you would be able to access that drive. Now, whenever any new question comes up in the interviews from my subscribers perspective, or I'm coming to know from my network that this particular questions are also asked, so I'll keep on adding the Java coding interview questions and answers into this particular drive. So then you don't need to pay again, you just have to do one time payment, and after some duration you have to refresh to check whether you are having the latest updated version of the digital product with yourself or not. So that's the kind of the thing that I wanted to tell you. Now let's move towards the job opportunities. So with respect to job opportunities, the first requirement is actually a remote role, and the experience required is 2 to 3 years. So you can call at this number or you can email at this number. So they are looking for someone who can work remotely and who has experience of 2 to 3 years. So what you will be doing is you will be creating and executing test plans and scripts. You will be performing functional regression and API testing, collaborate with dev and product teams, use tools like Jira, Selenium, Cypress, right? Then Ernst& Young is looking for candidates with the following skill set category. They are looking for UI automation, Selenium, Playwright, Cypress, plus API automation. And these are the categories: Tosca plus Guidewire automation. The experience level is 3 to 15 years. So you can apply for them. And here is a link. One is with respect to the Bangalore and one is with respect to the Chennai based location. Then there is a requirement for QA engineers again at multiple levels, and this is again remote. So you can email your resume to this particular email address with the subject line QA engineer, years of experience, and your name. Then there is a requirement for QA manual tester, and it is in Indore location. So this is for the role of a manual tester. Experience required is 1 to 2 years, and it's a full-time role, and you can apply at this particular email address. Then at OLX India, there is a hiring going on for front-end engineer, then DevOps engineer, SDET 6 months to 1.5 years. So SDET with less years of experience, the requirement is there. So location is Gurugram, Haryana, work from office, and you can apply. Then there's a requirement for again lead QA engineer, and the location is Gurgaon and Bangalore, and the company name is Delivery. So there is a this in this particular requirement, they are looking for someone who can lead a QA team, who can drive the AI initiatives from the testing perspective. So who can create a roadmap, who can own QA strategy, build scalable test automation for web, mobile, and APIs. So 7+ years of experience in QA and 2+ years in a lead or a mentoring role is required here. Right. So this is the link. So I'll be putting all these links of the Java interview questions and answers product along with this all job opportunities links. I'll be putting in the first comment of the video itself. So you can apply from there. Then there is an internship opportunity in which there is a hiring for roles such as UI UX, mobile app development, cloud engineering, web development, embedded systems, AI ML research and development. So location is given, and the start date would be mid of January 2026, and it would be 5 month of this internship would be going on. Then this is an opportunity where they are looking for 4+ years of experience to join their team. And the number of open positions along with QA engineer are mobile developers, backend developer, front end developer, right? So you can send your resume to this particular email address. It has been mentioned, and local candidates would be given the first priority. Then Clovity is hiring for QA engineer, and they are looking for talented QA engineers with strong experience in both manual as well as automation testing. And the role is QA engineer, experience is 3 to 5 years. Skill set required is manual and automation testing, both app testing, Android, iOS. Location is on-site, sector 62, Noida, and they are looking for someone who can join immediately. Or you can also attend the interview between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. on Wednesdays and Thursdays, and you can share your CV at this email address. So these are few of the job opportunities. Apart from that, let me share a few more opportunities with you. Yeah. So this is a walk-in drive for the freshers. Okay, let me share the screen. Yeah. So this is for the fresher, and they are looking for the trained fresher in Salesforce, Java, AI/ML, and data engineering. And the walk-in dates are 10th to 14th of November. Timings would be 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. The location for Chennai and Bangalore office has been provided. So you can apply for these particular job opportunities, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.